splice.
I'm just
Oh,
saying.
girl. What does that say?
Yes, garage bitches. All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Okay.
Okay, is it time for gas?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna get a new video for the
May I have a beverage, please?
Isn't that everything?
No, no.
What's the gas?
No, I
I think, yeah, all right. The gas is here.
Oh, you put the gas in.
We're doing the. Where's Chuck? We got to tell him first.
Chuck's right there.
Hey, Chuck.
Chocolate.
Hey, Chuck.
Chuck, we got a gas can on you.
It's not an Arizona iced tea jug, but it works.
And then what year is that?
The fire extinguisher.
Yeah, she's a.
Yeah.
What year's Fiona? 60.
Even.
It is 60?
Fiona.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone has a name.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Except for this.
This? That doesn't have a name?
All right, Sherman, what are you thinking? We're on.
We're on. We got a little Seals and Crofts going on here. A little summer breeze action.
We got the vibe. Definitely have the vibe.
Some of the breeze is pretty good right now.
Thanks for the fire extinguisher, Grant.
I'm not sure that's. Oh, poor Luna. You have your eyebrows singed.
It worked last week.
Yeah.
It worked hard on flooding.
It did sound a couple times like it was close.
See?
Solid. Alright, there's no drips.
Now that's gravity feed.
Well, the
So
eyes
somebody
out.
needs to hold the gas tank so Bobby can fiddle with this
I have a
bottle, right?
throttle. Sherman?
Alright.
Yeah.
Fire in the hole.
Gassy. We're dripping.
That's why we got that.
Out of our not annealed that we discussed. Where's the wrench for that?
You need a 17. It's up here.
It's a 17? Yeah, I just gotta touch it a little bit. Thank you. 11/16. Yes.
Ah. What would Dieter say about that?
There we go. It's a little better. Alright, shall we try it?
Well, what do we use? We use brake clean. We tried that last too, but
Yeah,
here.
let's get some.
Sorry.
Do a little spark verification, yeah? Crank it real quick. Grant. Oh yeah, we got spark for sure. Which we had last week.
Wow. It's a BMW, so it could be different this week.
Not a lot of compression in that. No, it's very weak.
Bye.
Alright. Ready, Sherman?
Luna,
Ready?
you're really close to this. Why is it that you've got...
She likes to be with the party.
I know, but
You missed it. There you
Yeah, there.
go. Okay, hit it. Hit it. Nope. Nope. Oh.
It's getting faster.
Nice. There's no compression. Yeah. It's barely got any suck. Like you put your hand over it, and it's barely suck.
what was the other one doing last week?
Basically the same thing. Yeah, it was doing exactly the same
Yeah.
thing.
I was just curious if it...
Is it easy to get the spark plug out?
Yes. We did that last week. We pulled the plug last week.
Okay. So if we pull the plug and we squirt some oil in there, it might seal it
help
up
us.
enough to light it.
Yes. Let's do that.
Why didn't we do that last week?
Oh, shit.
Oh, Bobby.